steer alone now.
I tried to stay pretty faithful to the original colors. Come on in, I'll show you my home.
This looks awful.
Hi. Oh, what do I say? I don't know what to talk about. Okay, it's been a while. Hello there. I have been around, but I've just not been posting. That's how it goes. I have been pretty busy, but I've managed to film some of what I've been doing over the last few months since I haven't posted since like December, and it's like, what, the middle of March now? So I put together this video. It's a little bit jumbled, but that's to be expected, but you'll see a bunch of fun stuff. I am getting married in July, so a large chunk of my time has been dedicated to stressing out about that for no good reason. But the happy side of things is that Mike and I have an apartment. We obviously are not in there yet, but in this video we'll give you a little tour of what that looks like. I'm very excited about that because I get a little like office space, which is great considering right now my desk is right here and my bed is right here. So more space is great. I also will be showing you like some riso printing the process of some of my riso printing that I've done over the last few months, which is a pretty new thing for me and a new or newer tier on my Patreon. And that's been so much fun. So yeah, I'll be showing you some of that. What else? Yeah, and just drawing random stuff also for a patron, I think. And just, just having fun here in New Jersey. Yeah, I'm gonna try to film more often. I think the reason why I haven't so much is because I've been lucky enough to have a partnership with Adobe over on my Instagram, and that's going on for like 2 months. I don't feel comfortable like filming myself drawing what I'm making for them. And I don't feel comfortable live streaming that also. So as soon as I wrap that up, I'm going to get back to hopefully filming more and live streaming and all of that fun stuff. But for now, there's this video. So enjoy. I'll see you at the end. Please stick around, because then I'll have something fun to say at the end, maybe. Who knows? Okay, this lighting. Okay. Thanks, Sarah.
Oh, I didn't stop recording.
That's fine.
I don't want to be seen.
Bye. Okay, so I just got back from the factory where wow, I just completely lost my train of thought. Where I print my riso prints. And so this is the one that's gonna be going out to my Patreons, or my patrons. I'm pretty happy with how this came out. The original version didn't really have like this gradient. There's a little bit of a gradient on this like mountain thing in the background. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. So that's the first one. The second one is a little bit of a larger print. And I'm pretty happy with how this came out too. If you follow me on Instagram, you might be familiar with this guy. I tried to stay pretty faithful to the original colors, with the exception of this sky. In the illustration that I made, it's like a kind of a darker blue, but then once I saw how this aqua color came out, I was like, yeah, I'm just gonna keep that. But yeah, so this is like 8x8, and I'll be selling this in my shop. It's a pretty limited run right now because, oh, here's low, hi low. Yeah, because this was a test, but yeah, I should be putting this up in my shop soon. But now I'm gonna sign all these, that way I don't have to worry about it later. Hello! That was beautiful.
Want to do it again?
Oh wait, no, you're supposed to be outside.
Is it good though with my aperture?
We'll figure it out. Hello, AD. Come on in, let me show you my home.
This looks awful.
I put a lot of thousands and millions of dollars, millions of thousands
What's that?
into this place. So let me back up a little bit. This is our kitchen. It is finished. Put lots of time and money into these surfaces. If you'll notice, this particular wall, it's green and it's old, but we love it. Check out our bathroom. It's very purple. Check out our floor. Okay, so into the shower. Let's go on into the other room, shall we?
Can't have two people take a poop in that one.
No, you can't. Walking this way is the dining area portion. This is where our table will go probably. There's also a refrigerator at the wall. All right, let's check it out. Nice. We have water bottles. We have, all right, coming on in here. This will be Mike's office / studio space. We have the lovely stucco. Ouch, it hurts. Don't slam into this wall, it'll puncture your skin. So the fridge is in the closet. We love the innovation. Ouch. We have this nice built-in shelf here. A little crooked, but aren't we all? This will be our living room. Again, we have lovely stucco. We love to pair it with the parquet floors, as well as the drop ceiling above.
Oh, I gotta get the dress
This
on.
is the height of interior design. We love this combination. This will probably be our bedroom. We bought a mirror today. Come on over, look at yourself. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Hey, wave hello.
I can't. My arms.
Wave hello. Come on over. This will be my studio space. I'm thinking I'm gonna put like a desk over here, some flat files, maybe some shelves, and try to fit as much as I can into this wall. We have this utility closet.
I kind of like it open like that because then you can just stand there.
Going down the door then.
But then you can lean. It looks like you're in a barn. Yeah. That's actually nice.
You want a shot of you?
No.
In the closet of the barn?
No. I am.
Yeah, let's
No,
go.
no. Finish the tour. Oh, okay. Let's go here.
Yeah, just real quick.
I don't want to do.
Yeah, you do. You love it. You're a ham. Come on in. Hello. There he is. Open your eyes. Wake up. Reach. 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 So yeah, that's the closet.
And then this is the thing to put the plates and the anime figures.
Lots of anime figures going in here.
And it's kind of nice.
I'm never gonna be able to reach up there. It's just a dream.
Yeah, I feel like even with a ladder, that's gonna be uncomfortable because if you angle the ladder, like you need like one of those like a fireman ladder.
Oh yeah.
Because you'd still be.
Yeah, far away. And comes back to the kitchen and the bathroom. Hello.
Spoiler, railroad apartment.
It's a railroad apartment, so we just get to walk in circles.
I'm very excited.
That's pretty fun. Yeah, so I will keep everybody and myself updated. Very exciting. We're gonna try to fix this door. Please don't do that.
The emotional response to love is usually the result of a show of affection or favor, and these seem to be the emotions with which we start life.
Whatever.
Nature endows us at birth with three general patterns of emotional response. Rage is the response to the primary stimulus of boredom, but you get the idea. Something interfering with our behavior or actions. Fear is the response to loud noises or loss of support.
this is the final piece. I guess considering that I haven't done any kind of traditional work outside of my iPad. No, my iPad is digital. You know what I mean. I haven't done anything that isn't digital for, I don't know, months. 5 months? 6 months? Who knows? I don't hate it. I think halfway through I was like, this is a disaster, and it is a mess, but I think the overall effect isn't the worst thing I've ever done. But I'm definitely gonna stick to digital, but once in a while it is nice to, you know, pick up the old colored pencils or experiment a little bit. So this is for one of my patrons on Patreon, so that'll be going out with one of the riso prints from this month. So thanks, Becca. Oh, you made it to the end. Oh my gosh, thank you. Hope you enjoy this video. It is jumbled, but I hope that you can make sense of what's been going on the last few months. And I'm wearing a Kingdom Hearts shirt and filming a video. Okay, well, I'll see you next time, and hopefully I'll be doing this more often or live streaming very soon. Thanks for sticking around. You're the best. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Look at my Patreon. I got so much fun stuff there. I post daily comics every single weekday. I don't mean to punch you. And if you join my $10 tier, you get a free riso print. Not free, because you're paying for it. You get a riso print every single month. Anyway, what am I saying? You know I'm bad at this. I'll see you later, whenever that might be. Bye.